Good afternoon, everyone. I am Achal. Thank you, sir, for giving me opportunity. And this is a certification. Here, I am going to some little word which is very precious memories regarding global skills, which is very good for me. I think I am joined global skill when I am standard 10. Only for few skills to typing or to learn some skills regarding computers, and this skills is very helpful to us in these days, and I am very feeling very good after learning these skills. In my college there is some opportunity regarding AI, and I am doing all these techniques, and my teachers, college teachers, told me how to learn you all these techniques. Then I told him that I learned these all information about computer from the global skill, and the sir Vipin sir is very give us a opportunity about these knowledges and help us to enroll our personality as well. And thank you. This is my certification of global skill.